Yo, Valid623 here. I was gonna be posting a video response to Shane Dawson's Birds and Bees, but it won't let me for some reason, so I'm just gonna do it right here. Well, I guess I found out about it when I was 7, I think, when I was in 2nd grade. Yeah. And the numbers in my username, they sort of go with my birthday, June 23rd. So if you want to make me a birthday video, if you're a fan and want to make me a birthday video, there you go. Yeah, I don't really know how I found out about it. I hung out with a lot of weird people. In fact, I still hang out with them today. Like Mackenzie, you all know Mackenzie. Actually, another user on YouTube, KMachoMan56. Yeah, I hung out with him. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah, I hung out with 771 Gallade. Yeah, 771. Well, yeah, I hung out with some weird people. Trust me, you would not want to be friends with River. He's very freaking weird. Yeah, it won't let me post a video response, so I'm just gonna upload this and call it Birds and Bees. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it. My